For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a massage business can be both rewarding and profitable if approached with the right tools and mindset. With the support of free AI platforms, launching your venture becomes easier, faster, and more strategic. These tools can help you with business planning, marketing, branding, scheduling, and even client management. The following step-by-step guide will walk you through how to use free AI tools to establish a successful massage business from the ground up. Step 1. Define your business vision and niche. Begin by clarifying what kind of massage business you want to start. Will you focus on sports massage, Swedish massage, deep tissue, or specialize in corporate or mobile massage services? AI can help you analyze market trends and refine your niche. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm business concepts and identify potential customer segments. A useful prompt for this is, ChatGPT, help me define a niche for a massage business based on current wellness trends and demand in urban areas. This will help you tailor your offerings to fit the needs of your target market. Step 2. Create a business plan. A well-structured business plan will guide your operations and attract investors or partners if needed. ChatGPT can generate a complete business plan outline, including executive summary, services, market analysis, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Use the following prompt. ChatGPT, write a detailed business plan for a mobile massage therapy business targeting busy professionals in your city. You can customize the plan further with tools like Google Docs, which offer AI-powered grammar and formatting suggestions. Step 3. Handle legalities and licensing. Every state or country has specific licensing requirements for massage therapists. Use AI search engines like Perplexity AI to quickly research regulations in your area. Prompt example. What are the licensing requirements to start a massage therapy business in your state? AI summarizers can scan government websites and pull key requirements, saving you time and confusion. Step 4. Design your brand identity. Branding plays a critical role in building trust and recognition. Free AI design tools like Canva offer branding kits and logo generators powered by AI. You can also use ChatGPT to help define your brand's personality, tone, and tagline. Try this prompt. ChatGPT, create a brand identity and tagline for a relaxing, eco-friendly massage therapy service targeting wellness-conscious millennials. Use Canva to apply your chosen colors, fonts, and logo to create cohesive social media content, flyers, and business cards. Step 5. Build an online presence. Today, a website is essential. Use free website builders like Wix or WordPress, both of which include AI assistants that suggest layouts and copy. Use ChatGPT to write your website content. Prompt example. ChatGPT, write homepage and services page content for a massage therapy website offering Swedish and deep tissue massage with online booking. These tools often integrate with scheduling apps, allowing clients to book directly from your site. Step 6. Set up scheduling and client management. AI scheduling tools like Calendly or TidyCal simplify appointment booking and reduce no-shows with reminders. For customer relationship management, CRM, you can use the free version of HubSpot, which includes AI-driven insights on client behavior and automated email follow-ups. ChatGPT can help you create email templates for booking confirmations or thank you messages using this prompt. ChatGPT, write a professional follow-up email to a massage therapy client thanking them for their visit and offering a discount on their next session. Step 7. Price your services strategically. Pricing should reflect your skill level, market demand, and operational costs. AI tools like Excel's Analyze Data feature or ChatGPT can help create pricing models. You can prompt, ChatGPT, suggest a pricing structure for a home-based massage business in a mid-range neighborhood, considering competition and therapist experience level. This helps you stay competitive while remaining profitable. Step 8. Develop a marketing strategy. Marketing is vital to building awareness and attracting new clients. Use ChatGPT to generate a marketing plan tailored to your niche and location. Prompt example: ChatGPT, create a 3-month marketing plan for a new massage therapy business focused on Instagram, local SEO, and word-of-mouth referrals. Use tools like MailChimp, free plan available, to automate email marketing, and Buffer or Meta Business Suite for scheduling social media posts. Canva can generate Instagram post templates and content ideas with its AI design assistant. Step 9. Generate customer reviews and build trust. Positive reviews are crucial. After each session, use an AI-generated follow-up message to politely ask clients to leave a review. Prompt: ChatGPT, write a friendly SMS message asking a massage therapy client to leave a Google review after their appointment. Collect reviews on platforms like Google My Business and Yelp. Use ChatGPT to reply to reviews professionally, whether positive or negative, to show you care about customer feedback. Step 10. Scale through strategic partnerships. Once your business gains traction, consider partnering with local gyms, yoga studios, or wellness clinics. AI tools like LinkedIn's AI-powered messaging assistant can help you craft compelling partnership proposals. Prompt example: ChatGPT, write a business outreach message proposing a partnership between my massage business and a local fitness center, highlighting mutual benefits. Building the right alliances can expand your reach without significant advertising costs. Step 11. Monitor and adjust business performance. Free AI-powered analytics tools like Google Analytics or Meta Insights help track customer engagement and conversion on your website and social media. You can also use ChatGPT to analyze patterns and suggest adjustments. Prompt example: ChatGPT, analyze these social media engagement stats and recommend improvements for my massage therapy Instagram account. Make adjustments to your services, promotions, or content strategy based on data-backed insights. Step 12. Continue learning and innovating. Staying ahead in the massage industry means keeping up with trends and techniques. AI tools like YouTube's algorithm-driven recommendations can help you find tutorials or technique demonstrations tailored to your skill level and interests. You can also ask ChatGPT, what are some emerging trends in massage therapy I can integrate into my practice to stand out? Incorporating innovations like aromatherapy, sound healing, or chair massage for offices can increase your service offerings. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.